the XY line, I'm going to plot the distances along the bottom for the elevation. Okay, so I'm going to mark the 30 along the bottom here. Okay, 16 from the 30. Okay, these dimensions are coming from plan view. That's where I'm getting them for the length and elevation. The length of the rectangular base pyramid is 88 because it's 244s. Okay, and then we don't know the distance. The sphere is from the rectangular base pyramid in elevation. Okay, so we don't know that yet. The radius, okay, is 30, and we'll have to find the center point in elevation first before we can get the radius at the end. The thickness of the base here is 10, so I can go 10 quickly across here. The radius of the cylinder is 16 in elevation. The height of the rectangular base pyramid from the XY line is 10, 35 is 45, okay, plus 55 is 100, so I can go up 100 from the base. Can lightly join here and here. And then the truncation for the square rectangular base pyramid is 45 up from the XY line, so mark up 45. So light line there, we can heavy this in here, right here. So that's where the pyramid is going to be heavied. Then the cylinder, okay, is 30 degree line from here, okay, and heavy in that portion of the cylinder there in elevation. And then we'll do the sphere in a moment. Right, so the sphere is radius, the diameter of the sphere is 50, and it's tangential to the extreme generator of the pyramid, or we won't say extreme generator, it's tangential to the face, and this base here it sits on, so we're going to bisect this angle and go up 25 millimeters from this base. So compass set at any distance you want. Here's the center point to get the point of contact. Go at 90 degrees to the edge of the edge of the face of the rectangular base pyramid from the center point. There's the point of contact. So then we can draw in the sphere in elevation. And then it extends. So it's the radius of the end is 30 as well. All right, so the end is 30. So we'll finish that once we get to plan that end there. So we'll start our plan. Let's drop the lines down. So the width of the base in plan is 60. Radius 30 here. Radius 16 then for the cylinder. The rectangular pyramid, okay, has a width of 50. So we can go 25 up and down from the center. We can join the diagonals to get the truncated cut in plan. So there's a section cut in plan. Okay, it's along this line in plan here, so I just bring that across and heavy it in. To find it in elevation, I bring this straight up until it hits the center line. Then I take my compass, set my compass to that radius there, and heavy in the sphere. This is a heavy detail here, hidden detail. And then the point of contact is right there in plan, point of contact. And then we got to finish in this on the other side. So it's safe to say that these are equidistant. Or should be, so you can just flip this center point over, but they'll be the same. Okay, the radius is 30. So I can bring this end point back up here to elevation, heavy in the base. and that's the first part done. So part B, I'm going to have to develop cylinder A. So I'm going to divide the circle and plan up into 60, 30. Okay, and I'm going to unwrap the cylinder, alright, parallel to the axis, or perpendicular to the axis rather. I'm going to unwrap it here on the shortest edge at which it's going to join, so along here. So I'll start by dividing this up into 60, 30, bring the points up to elevation, unwrap it this way, take my compass, take the distances between the 60, 30 lines, step it out, and then bring the points on this, what you call it, edge U of the cut surface to their relevant numbers here. Now, I have to label this point 6, and I could start this wherever I want. And the reason I have to label it point 6 is the development is going to start at the shortest line. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have one more to do. 6. Right. So I draw vertical lines from 6. Now I'm going to bring the numbers from here over to the relevant height. So this is 6 and 6 here. So 7 and 5 is going to be brought to 7 and 5 respectively. Now of all the points here, I'm going to freehand sketch them in. Okay, so I'm going to connect them. Okay, while keeping my hand inside the curve. And then I'll heavy down these lines here. So part C is to draw the development of the truncated surface. Every line on a development has to be a true length. So we need to get the true length of the edge of the pyramid and the true length of the cut length here. So in order to do that, we're going to look perpendicular to the line. So I'm going to rotate the line in plan to find it as a true length. So I'm going to put my compass on the apex, rotate it parallel until it's parallel on a line parallel to the x and y line. Same here. So I'll put my compass on the apex, brought it to the cut point here, and rotate it until it's parallel to the xy line in plan. I'm going to label that A, B, and apex. Now, the points have moved in plan, A and B. So A and B must move in elevation. Okay, so here's A and B, and they've got to move to A1 and B1. And the apex is not moved. So I'm going to bring A1 up, okay, and I'm going to bring A across, and that's A1, and then B1 they'll have to match up. B1 is brought up, and B is brought across. That's B1, and they should contain each other. So here's the true length. That's the true length of the generator, or the edge rather, of the pyramid. That's the true length there. Now we're going to take this true length and develop our surface. So I'm going to take my compass here to elevation, set it to the true length of the pyramid. Edge of the pyramid, so I'll set it to true length. I can bring it out here into space, set it there wherever I want, okay, and swing a big arc here with the radius of the true length of the edge of the rectangular base pyramid before it's cut. Right, now I'm going to pick a point on this arc wherever I want, and I'm going to join it back to the centre of that arc. So I'm going to join it back to the centre of that arc. Now every line on the development is a true length, so I'm going to move, or just zoom here. D, E, F, D slash E, B slash F. Right, it's going to be developed out here. So every line on the development has to be a true length. Okay, now I want to start from the shortest edge if possible, but all four of these edges will be the same. So I'll just start at E here. So I can pick E there. Now I'm going to take the distance between E and F in plan. Now E to F in plan is a true length because E to F in elevation is on the XY line, so it's a true length in plan. Now there's F. Now I'm going to take F to B, and F to B in plan is a true length because it appears as a point in elevation. I'm going to take B to D in plan. I'm going to step it from B, and that's point D in plan. And then I'm going to take D to E in plan, and that's true length because in plan because it appears as a point in elevation. I'm going to step it there. Now I'm going to join them all back to the apex. Then I'm going to take the true length of the cut section here. So I'm going to take that distance from true length to A1. Not A1. It has to be on the true length. Has to be on the true length line. So I've got to take that distance. Okay, and then I'm going to step it here on the center of the development and swing it around there. Now, these connect as so. Then the base then can be done by what's called, the base of it is going to be a rectangle, so this is going to be a fold line. And we're going to mark perpendicular to it. So I'm going to mark out perpendicular. The distance it goes out for is the size of E to D, so I'm going to set my compass to E to D. Sorry, I'll rub that out in a moment. I'm going to step from D there. It wouldn't matter if it was done from B. Okay, from B. So I'm lucky there, it just doesn't appear as it there. Now a heavy line there, heavy line.